again on the next video. Let's talk customize pressure cleaning setups. So this little beauty on a compact 5x3 trailer, coal water is running at 5,000 psi, 21 litres a minute. So if 5,000 psi is too much for you guys, we can drop that and jet that to 4,000 psi, 21 litres a minute. So my pick, top of the range, straight with the Mosmatic, 30-inch surface cleaner, 750, 21-inch surface cleaner, 520, and the little 12-inch surface cleaners. Top of the range, can't go wrong. Need to cover big square meters quickly. Check out Mosmatic. So on this particular setup, 100 meters of water hose. So when we can't get water, 100 meter stretch, we've got 60 meters of pressure hose. The GX690 powering this 5,000 psi pressure cleaner, and a 300 litre, in this case, reasonable size water tank, but I'll call that a header tank, and doing those remote jobs when we can't get water. Coupled up with a carbon fibre pressure cleaning pole. So you can see all these pressure cleaning poles on our website. This is the big hoo-ha at 42 feet. They also come in 32 feet, 28 feet and 24 feet. So in addition to this as a complete cleaning, exterior cleaning setup, we'd also put in an X-jet for carrying out soft washing, whether that's hard, soft surfaces, whether timbers or building exteriors. Like to know any more information about any of these custom setups or other portable pressure cleaning equipment, you can get us in a couple of locations, bluetongueindustries.com.au, and you can see all the pricing on our main site, which is ionicsystems.com.au. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.